Start.
Okay, good morning everyone. So our project is e-commerce mobile application and we are the team members. Go for next slide. So our name is Pujita, Nikita, me, myself, Pavan, Pavana, Pavitra and Rutuja. Go for the next slide. So okay, introduction. So our no code framework are a software design system that which allows even the non-technical people to execute the software without composing a line of code. So those tools usually we have user-friendly interface and there is a technical the technology that which helps the user interface very useful, that is drag and drop capabilities, so which allows you to innovation the implementation progress and describes the overall business logic with easy. So no code platform works is a programming platform that use visual development interface to enable the non-technical users to build the application, by dragging and dropping the software. So no need of coding here. So which we create a full app, so we can create a full app on this. So user don't need any previous coding experience to build this like these kind of applications. So no code automation system minimizes mistakes and the speed of the business operations while still reducing the routines and this is why the majority of team chooses the no code platform to build an application. Go for next slide. Okay, my teammate will be continuing from here.
Good morning, everyone. As Pavan already explained, what is a no-code? No-code allows both programmers and non-programmers to create apps through graphical user interface instead of the traditional computer programming. Traditionally, a professional hand coder with years of knowledge and experience in coding would build the application for you by writing the code themselves. Whereas now, the no-code platforms aims to help the users who understand the logic behind the app they want to create, but not have necessary knowledge or training in the coding languages to build in the traditional way. So, the future of coding is no coding was told by the demand of the software application is increasing by the year, with more businesses understanding the need of understanding the need to advance their online business. However, the web development industry finds itself with a shortage of talented developers. The high demand is simply not being met. The no-code development platforms has become a solution to help organizations deliver their projects. The development has been proven effective for many reasons, mainly for users, quick response to change management, fast delivery of an application, lower the total cost of ownership, lower risk, and higher rate of interest. A no-code development platforms allow both the programmers and the non-programmers to create an application software through the graphical user interfaces, and it is used to meet the needs of the companies that are seeking to digitalize the processes through the cloud-based mobile applications. The rest explanation will be continued by my friend Pavitra.
Hi everyone, I'm Pavitra. I'll be telling you about the benefits of NCDP platform. So first one, it's very easy. No-code tools are very easy to use. They're intuitive and cut down on the process. Easy to update. So normally software applications require constant changes to add like new features, squash bugs, and so on. So traditionally, this will be a very tedious process, which will often require users to bring down the application at times. So with the help of no-code apps, we have no such restrictions. Like a new feature can be business requirements are constantly in flux, making it difficult for software developers to change coding midway through development. So with no-code platforms, making changes in applications or enhancing their functionalities is very much easier than traditional methods of application development. Fourth is lower the total cost of ownership, that's TCO. So no-code drastically reduce development time and also resulting in low cost of ownership. So this is it's a very cost-effective substitute for outsourcing resources, and it also enables businesses to reduce the burden on their IT teams. Fifth one is that you can pivot easily. So when we say pivot, we mean like changing the app's audience or the target market. So if we decide that a particular no-code app for an other target market, then we can easily switch without engaging the developers. And finally, no-code is the future. So it said that by 2024, 75% of large enterprises will be using at least 4 no-code and low-code development tools for both IT application development and citizen development initiatives. So these were the benefits of NCDP platform. Now my friend Rutuja will continue.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Rutuja, and I'll be telling about the 3 no-code platforms. First one is, second one is Adolo, and third one is GoodBarber. Next slide. So this is the Glide platform. Gives you a simple but powerful editor to visually build apps that is using no code, and it uses Google Sheets to store the data. Glide is designed in such a way that we can easily make our app look polished and familiar, and also we can customize the app with library of pre-built components. And finally, after developing the app, we can share the app with anyone using a shareable link or by using QR code. Next, my friend Pavana will continue.
Hi everyone, I'm Pavna. I'll be explaining about Adolo platform, where Adolo is one of the no-code platforms, and its main goal is to offer a platform where to design and host websites and applications that include databases with workflow actions and integrations. And it will also allow us to publish a mobile app development which stores from the platform, making native app that makes the development easy. And Adolo offers both more of basic app features like lists, buttons, forms, and signups as well, and more advanced features such as messaging, search, and payments via Stripe integration. All of the design components are integrated with database that allows you to view how users are interacting with your app and to input external data files into the Adolo platform. With the options to add actions, data you can design how users navigate your app. Next, my friend Pujita will continue.
So hello everyone, I'll be speaking about GoodBarber platform. So basically a GoodBarber is a app builder, a tool that allows you to make high performing native apps and progressive web apps with the best design and user experience out there. By significantly slashing the cost of making an app, GoodBarber makes the best mobile and web technology accessible to everyone. Over 30,000 apps use GoodBarber today. Whether it is a standard or e-commerce app, GoodBarber often allows you to select from several different layouts for each section. This combines with the choice of more than 50 different templates, each of their own color scheme and font styles. It creates a vast amount of flexibility within the design of your app and can lead to very unique creations. So let's see some of the pros and cons. So basically the pros are the choice of design, like we have a various number of choice of design templates. We have access to team management, and we have number of features, progressive web app, and basically the cons are can be pricey and paid add-on. Thank you.